covered patio, morning light, 2 chairs waiting where the desert feels right. Stucco walls and a welcome so sweet. Ground floor living on an easy street. Step inside, it is furnished and warm, ready for weekends or a brand new norm. Kitchen pass through, breakfast bar glow, old cabinets where the coffee can flow. Steps to the pool with the mountains in view. Lake havasu, sky shining white and blue. Jennifer Poe knows the way home feels. Relaxed by the lake, keeps the dream on wheels. 2 bedrooms, 2 beds, easy to love. Central spot with the sunshine above. Casual dining bar, fan overhead. Cozy living room where the good days spread. Sliding glass door to the patio scene. Poolside sparkle and palms of green. Front patio morning, back patio night. Lake and mountain views in golden light. Private laundry tub close by. Washer and dryer simple as a sigh. Steps to the pool with the mountains in view. Lake havasu, sky shining white and blue. Jennifer Ho brings the key and the seal. Relaxed by the lake, makes the moment live. 2 bedrooms, 2 beds, easy to love. Central spot with the sunshine above. Built with classic condo charm. Central air keeps every season calm. Just over 1,000 square feet to roam. Low care living that feels like home. Heated goodnight water calling your name. Sidewalk strolls and the desert flame. The roller skating real to rolls on through. With a hopeful song and a home for you. From covered carport to the pool below. From cactus edges to the lake view glow. Jennifer Poe says come see the day. Relaxed by the lake lights the way.